Welcome back. Today, we venture to the heart of India to explore the life and legacy of a visionary leader, a renowned scientist, and the missile man of India, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. Born in a modest family in Rameswaram, India in 1931, Kalam defied his humble beginnings with an insatiable thirst for knowledge. He excelled in his studies, driven by a deep passion for physics and aerospace engineering. Kalam's journey took him to the prestigious Madras Institute of Technology, where he honed his skills and laid the foundation for his future achievements. He then joined the Indian Defense Research and Development Organization, embarking on a remarkable career that would propel India into the realm of missile technology. Under Kalam's visionary leadership, India witnessed the development of iconic missiles like the Agni and Prithvi, solidifying its strategic security and technological prowess. He wasn't just a scientist, he was an inspiring leader, motivating his team with his dedication, clarity of vision, and unwavering belief in India's potential. Kalam's achievements transcended the realm of missiles. He played a pivotal role in India's nuclear program, advocating for the responsible use of atomic energy for peaceful purposes. His contributions earned him the moniker Missile Man of India, a testament to his transformative impact on the nation's scientific landscape. In 2002, Kalam's life took another extraordinary turn when he was elected the 11th President of India. He became the first scientist to hold the highest office, embodying the hopes and aspirations of millions. As president, Kalam embraced the people, particularly the youth. He championed education, scientific literacy, and innovation, inspiring a generation to dream big and strive for excellence. His down-to-earth demeanor and genuine warmth earned him the title People's President, etching his name in the hearts of millions. Kalam's legacy extends far beyond his scientific achievements. He was a teacher, a philosopher, and a visionary leader who believed in the power of science to transform lives and build a better future. His commitment to education, poverty alleviation, and sustainable development continues to inspire individuals and nations alike. Kalam's life reminds us that dreams, no matter how big, can be achieved with dedication, passion, and a relentless pursuit of knowledge. He showed us that science isn't just about equations and experiments. It's about empowering people, igniting minds, and building a brighter tomorrow. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more inspiring stories of individuals who dared to dream and transform the world.